In today's video, we're going to talk about landing pages. Coming up, we'll go through what is a landing page and why it's important for your digital marketing strategy. All right, I'm ready. Hey, it's Jeff from TheFigCo. We're a digital marketing agency focused on helping small businesses grow. We'll teach you how to grow your audience and acquire customers online. If you think videos like this one will be helpful, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. So today we're going to talk about landing pages. What is a landing page? A landing page is a single page that has a single purpose. So this isn't the same as your home page that can have a whole bunch of different purposes. So, on a typical home page there's the About Us, there's a blog, there's your products and services, there's Work With Us. And so someone that's sent to your home page they don't always know what to do. And so if you're looking for a specific action, if someone just came from an ad that says, sign up for a webinar, and they can't find the sign up for the webinar on your homepage, it's not the same as a landing page that essentially strips out all of the unnecessary stuff. And so you'll just see, headline, a subheadline, generally, a picture that describes your product or service or your potential customer, and a call to action button that says sign up now, download this, buy this now. And so just from that first screen that you're looking at, it's very clear what you as a marketer want the customer to do. Give me your email, start using this free trial. And then generally, if you'd say below the fold, so like that first screen you see, but as you scroll down, you'll see the benefits of using the product or service or signing up. And trust indicators are a big thing as well. And so if you have a certain number of clients or downloads, if you've come out in different newspapers or blogs, different things that kind of show that you're trustworthy and credible and that they want to be doing business with you. And then as you get to the bottom of the page, a lot of times you'll see another one of those call to action buttons that's similar to the one up above, just kind of reminding you, hey, here's what we want you to do by visiting the site. Click the button, give us your email, and then you'll get something in return. What I thought would be one of the best things for us to do to really be able to visualize this, if you're not very familiar with landing pages, is why don't we hop on the computer and I'll walk you through some different use cases for landing pages, and then I'll also compare the landing page to the home page of the same company, and you can really see there what the differences are. Okay, let's go through a couple examples of when you'll see landing pages. So let's say I'm looking for marketing software. And I did the search a second ago, but just to give you kind of the illustration. So you have stuff from Domo, Marketing 360, Salesforce is a company that I know well. What else? Yeah, so here's a couple of ads. So basically, let's click on the Salesforce one and see what comes up. So this is a landing page for their Marketing Cloud demo. The world's most powerful one-to-one digital marketing platform. And so you can see they basically want you to watch a video and learn about their software. And watch now if you give this contact information, but I can't actually watch the video that I want to watch until I give my contact info, job title, email, phone company, etc. And so to compare this to Salesforce's homepage, or even a section of their homepage about the Marketing Cloud, which I found a second ago, it kind of looks like this. So one is, hey, do you want to chat with us right now? But you can see from this page that Salesforce is a monster, and I have no idea how many different services. So if you kind of send someone here, yeah, maybe I click on request a demo, but there's a whole bunch of stuff here, and it'd be very easy to get lost, distracted. And then maybe I do want to schedule the demo, but like I end up on some other page and I can't get back to this request a demo. And so you can see, hey, I want marketing software. I clicked on something about Salesforce's marketing software, and they say, give me your contact information, and you can learn all about us. So that was example one of where it comes up on AdWords. On Facebook, so I was scrolling through Facebook a little bit ago and came across this ad from YesWhere, which is a email software that hooks into Gmail. And so let's see what happens. So I click on this, or I can do it again. And so you can tell it takes you to get.yeswhere.com/free trial. And so, this doesn't look like a home page. It doesn't have all of the different navigations up here at the top. Email tracking made easy. See who opens your emails, links, and attachments. Get started. It integrates with these services. Here's the things they offer. Here's who they work with. More of the benefits. A couple of testimonials. And you can see there are a couple of partnerships they have down at the bottom. And so, the only option I have here is get started. So this is when I opened this earlier, and this is basically their homepage. And so still the same kind of call to action of get started for free, but there's the pricing, the product, the team, their blog, resources. There's a whole lot more on this versus, this ad here of sign up today for a free trial. And then it's like, hey, here, let's get started. And so they want me to sign up as soon as possible. And there's no distractions there versus this page. Another example to move on is, so one example would be with, say, HubSpot. So I'm on a particular blog post of theirs, and they want some type of offer. I got here, maybe I actually searched for SEO and came to this blog article, and they want to capture my contact information so that, ideally I start using some of their software. So they want to feature this download for Facebook over here. And so if I click on this, basically it's going to open up a landing page for the future of Facebook advertising. And so you can tell if we go back to the homepage or the blog, so you see, choose the language, which software, the pricing, resources, partners, about, all the social shares. Down at the bottom here, there's a whole bunch of other links, and then to like top blog posts. Now it's like, hey, I'm interested in downloading this. And you can see here is all that stuff is gone. There's one focus on, hey, do you want to download this or not? I'm ready to download. A very quick, call to action. It's a little bit below the fold, which is usually you can see it from the very top of the page. But then it's like, why is it important to you? What does it contain? Frequently asked questions. And then again, download your copy, give us your email. And so you can see from these three examples of, the first one was searching on Google, coming to the Salesforce landing page, compare that to, the complexity of Salesforce's homepage. The next one was seeing a Facebook ad for YesWhere, and then their landing page, I had already clicked to get started. And then it's like, hey, start the trial, sign up here. And then compare that again to their homepage. This is much more complicated. And then a different example is, within using a landing page within your website to kind of simplify things. So instead of this having all these different options, I had clicked on this, download now. I want to know about the future of Facebook advertising. And then I'm taken to that landing page, which has one focus of to get my email, and then they're going to give me the ebook. So hopefully these examples help you kind of understand a few different uses of, when landing pages are used and how the landing page is different from the homepage. Hopefully seeing those examples of landing pages and homepages was useful for you. And I hope now you're ready to get started with designing your own landing pages. If you're looking for which tools to use, some of the most popular ones are Lead Pages, Instapage, and Unbounce. I'll put links down to the three of those in the comment section. I think all of them offer free trials, so you're welcome to sign up for a trial, start designing your own landing pages, and decide which one of them works best for your needs. Now it's time for the question of the day. What I'd like to know from all of you is, what industry are you all working in? I'm looking to create a lot more videos. One is we're doing Digital Marketing 4, which basically every week we'll be choosing a new industry to cover. Maybe we can do a video on your industry. Also, I'll try to mix in different examples as we're going through all the different videos on how to do digital marketing for your company. So leave those down in the comment. That's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can do that up here. Also, some of our top videos are along the side over here. Until next time, thanks.